Thank you for visiting RucRac. My name is Les, founder of RucRac, and this is my assistant Jackie. And we're going to show you today just how easy it is to install this on the Ruckus. It really takes no effort, no modification whatsoever. Jackie, you want to show them how to do it?
First of all, we need to open up the seat. And then as you see, it's got felt for padding on the underneath side. You put it on like this, and all you need is 2 J-bolts, a washer, and a wing nut. So and after you get both of them on, you need to take and hold it here in the center and then retighten them all up. And there you go. It's custom welded by Les himself, specifically for the Ruckus, Honda Ruckus scooter.
And then your first use of the RucRac, I suggest that you tighten it quite often as the felt compresses. Once you have had it on and off a few times, that felt will compress and it'll be easier and easier to put it on and off, but it'll give you a little bit more room that way.
Small grocery runs, you can go to the post office. The rack holds up to 15 pounds, so you can carry just about anything you need from the grocery store. Or
just you may bungee it down if you want. In this case right here, it's not required. I'm not going very far, but get it on the bike and away you go.